Keep watching for a great tip on how to make my beef and rice soup recipe and serve it as a full meal in a bowl. Start by heating up your Dutch oven and adding your ground beef to break it up. While it's cooking, chop up some onion, carrot, and celery. When the meat is cooked, add in your veggies and cook until the onions are translucent. Then chop up some garlic and some bell pepper and add them to the Dutch oven with the rest of the vegetables. Cook for a few minutes and then add in your tomato paste and your canned tomatoes. Stir to combine and then add your oregano, your salt, and your celery seed. Add the beef broth and the water to the Dutch oven, bring to a simmer, and cook covered on low for 20 minutes. Now here's my trick. Cook the rice separate, you'll see why in a second. To finish the soup, add in the frozen vegetables and stir them in. Now because you've cooked the rice separate, you can decide how much rice goes in each bowl and you can make it as light or as filling of a meal as you'd like. Garnish with fresh herbs and serve. Find the full recipe at FrenchKissCook.com. Click on the icon to subscribe to our channel and on the video for more recipes.